welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you about the best 10 by 10 shed plans and the simplest shed plans that you can use at home today. But first I want to start off from the beginning about why you need good shed plans. This is because it starts from the beginning. If your starting point is bad, your end result will be bad as well. It's simple. And a solid starting point will lead you to success. So what's the problem here? The problem is there are tons of garbage shed plans out there. And if you get bad shed plans, they will set you on a path of failure. Because like I said just before, if your starting point is bad, then how can you build upon something that's already weak? It'll just lead you to build a bad shed and have a negative experience. It makes it stressful and difficult. Now this is especially true for me, and you'll find out why in a sec. And the biggest problem of all is finding good quality plans can be extremely hard. I know personally when I was starting out, I could not find good shed plans. I could find plans or a single plan here and there, but they were very low quality and they didn't help me at all. In fact, they made me more confused. So what's the fix here? The fix is finding good quality plans that will set you up for success from the beginning. And you can get tons of them, and I will show you in 1 second how you can get tons. And when I say tons, I mean tons of shed plans, more than you could ever use or need, and give you tons of selection. It's great. And this makes the process easy and enjoyable because good plans will make everything easier. So in the description, I have linked 12,000 shed plans. Let me say that again, 12,000. Not 12 or 15, no, 12,000. These shed plans are high quality, and like before I was saying, it's hard to find good shed plans, and here you have 12,000 high quality linked in the description. They are easy to follow. These are so simple to follow and they don't take any skills. And if you've ever used Lego, or your kids have, or you've seen someone playing with it, the instructions are completely step by step. They go brick by brick. And these are the exact same way. They will tell you perfectly how to do it from the beginning and not leave you wondering anything. And it makes it fun. By taking out the bad parts, the stressful and the guesswork and the frustration, it leaves you with only the enjoyable part, which is the building of the shed, which is my personal favorite part of this whole thing. So what happened before I found good shed plans? Well, I tried to hire so-called professionals to do it for me, and little to say, it ended in a very expensive mess. I got very low quality work that was it was terrible. It was a bad experience, and it put me off shed building for a long time, for a couple years. And what happened after I found good shed plans? Well, now I can go out and build a shed in a single afternoon with these good shed plans. And it became a new hobby for me. I enjoyed building sheds. It was easy and fun. And I became the pro in my family and friends. So whenever there was something to do with sheds or storage, I was the person they called, and that is a great feeling, just to be the professional, the person that people go to ask for help. And I made high quality work. It wasn't like those pros I hired before. No, I made good quality sheds that will last a lifetime and serve you well. And you can do it too. Good plans take out all the guesswork and make it very enjoyable. and anyone can build a shed. You don't need any experience. Like me, before I had good shed plans, I came from an office job, so I never built anything really, and I just needed some more storage. So I went out from scratch and learned how to build sheds in a matter of weeks and months. It was in weeks. Within a matter of weeks, I went out and built a shed on one weekend. It was that easy. And you can have lots of fun building. Like I said before, this is my favorite part. It's extremely enjoyable to build a shed, and it's one of my favorite things to do. I can't do it often because you don't need 100 sheds. You just need a few, but whenever my friends or family ask for help, I'm more than happy to go build a shed for them or help them out with it. So like I said before, there are 12,000 shed plans linked in the description. Now these are not my shed plans, so I'm not trying to sell my own product. These are just simply the ones that I have. And if you want to see a review on these specific plans, I can link a video alongside the shed plans below. So there'll be two links, one for the plans, which I highly recommend you check out, and one for my video review. So these are high quality shed plans. Like I said before, they're easy to follow, they have Lego-like instructions, and it makes the entire process fun. So go ahead, click the link in the description if you want to learn more, and if you want to see me review these shed plans more in depth, then that link will be also in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you out. I hope this will clear up the confusion you have. I recommend going out, grabbing these shed plans, and going out and building a shed of your own. It's really fun, really easy. I highly recommend it. So click the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.